see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause but it's so good point we messed up, sugar, and when we fight, no one wants to stop, and as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall?
Hi guys! Insert ko lang po itong short video na to dito sa aking vlog kasi po meron po ako ngayon pa-promo sa Curry Shop called Sweet Mother's Day Promo. Nag-start po siya kahapon, April 28. Maglalast po siya until May 4. So please check it out kasi marami po akong pa-promo ngayon doon. And anything pong bibili nyong naka-promo sa mga taga-Philippines, magkakaroon po kayo na A-Stuff Foam Cleanser Face and Body plus yung tuktok na seasoning lang. Masarap yung tuktok guys. Pwede siyang sa french fries, sa rice na itak-tak. Masarap talaga siya. So, yun yung amaw ko, mga taga-Philippines na anything na bibili nyo yung naka-promo sa Curry Shop ko. And then, sa global naman, magkakaroon din po kayong freebie na Tuk-Tuk Seasoning Love na kimchi seasoning mix. Plus, yung A-Stop Spa Treatment and Care Patch na 3 sheets. So, yun guys, maganda rin yun na kung may pimples kayo, ilagay nyo lang yung patch na yun. Sobrang maganda siya. Yun din ang ginagamit ko. Lahat ng naka-promo doon, guys, ay favorite ko, guys. So, please check it out. Madami po talaga. Isa na tong N Plus Clear Toner. Plus, yung aking favorite na cushion, yung Lights Camera Action na refill nito. Naka-promo po siya. And yung isa pang gustong-gusto ko. Hindi ko nga lang siya nadala kasi nasa ano kami, guys, ngayon. Nasa bakasyon kami ngayon. Yung aking Kinonix Cabbage Calming na toner pad. Nakaubos na ko noon na ginagamit ko rin siyang pantanggal ng makeup po. Hindi ko nga lang siya dala ngayon. Nakalimutan ko kasi nagmamadili kami. Basta i-check nyo na lang yung aking Curry Shop guys. Ililib ko yung link down the description box. And yeah, check it out guys. So, anything na bibili nyo, magkakaroon kayong freebie guys. So, yun. And happy Mother's Day sa mga mommy and sa daddy na tumatay yung mother. So, yun guys. So, thank you. Please check it out my Curry Shop. I will leave the link down the description box po. Thank you. See ya. Good morning! Good morning guys! Nakaganito ako kasi yung araw nandito na sa kwarto ni Holly. Today is April 13 and time check is magsi-7 na guys. Magsi-7 na. Maaga ako nagising pero ngayon lang ako nag-start. Nagising akong 5 o'clock. Kagabi, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, mag-invoice ako. Siguro 2 lang yung in-invoice ko and then natulog na ako guys. Sabi ko mag-nap lang ako pero dire-diretso yung tulog ko. Nagising ako, ano na, 4:45. So, nakapag-start na ako mag-invoice. Ayun na, oh, mayroon na ako doon. And yung iba nandoon. So, nakapag-start na ako mag-invoice kanina pa. And marami pa akong i-invoice. Ayan. Hopefully matapos ko to bago magsara ang post office. Kasi gusto ko talaga siyang ma-ship today lahat. If possible na magbayad sila. Kasi alis kami. Matagal kami. Mag-holiday kami guys. So hopefully. And sobrang sarap ng tulog ko. More than 8 hours yung tulog ko. Siguro 10, 11. Basta sobrang haba ng tulog ko. And I really need it guys. So thank you. Nakatulog tayo. So, ngayon, ayan, invoicing. So, mamaya na lang, guys. Update, guys. 12:45 na. And, si Jam, binilan niya na lang ako ng lunch. So, baka take away rin kayo mamaya. Kasi gusto ko itong matapos. Pero feeling ko hindi ito matatas kasi sobrang dami pa talaga, guys. Ang dami-dami pa. Ayun siya. Nalagay niya sa plate. And, marami akong package na dumating, guys. Ayun, ang dami na naman nating package. Excited akong buksan sila. Yung excited ka pero hindi mo pwedeng buksan kasi kailangan mo tong ma-dispose bago ko sila. Ayan. Oh yeah, it's too big. Boneless. Oh, sige, I told you. Thank you. Ayan ang mga na-invoice ko guys. Oh. And ito ang hindi pa, yung mga bukas. Yung mga bukas ang hindi pa. So, kain muna ako ha. Guys, alis na tayo. Mag-ship ulit tayo. Ito yung second batch. Nandun na yung isa. Ayan yung isa guys. Oh. Nandun na. Tapos, ito yung isa. So, konti lang yung na-invoice ko. Kasi nga, kagabi, hindi ako nag-invoice guys. And, ito kasi, madami sila. Madami yung laman sa isang satchels. Malalaki silang satchels today. So, punta na tayo sa post office. Ship ulit. Dito na tayo guys. Ayan, may isang, hi! May isa lang akong cart today. Yeah, good. Nakita tayo ni Lind. Thanks, Lind. I only have one cart for you today.
Oh, that's good.
But I have tomorrow. Patapos na tayo, guys. Ayan, konti na lang. Meron lang siyang sinserva na iba. Kanina may police. And, yeah, pahinto-hinto dahil may ibang customer din. Pero yeah, malapit na tayong matapos. Hintay lang muna tayong matapos. Siya kasi merong kukuha ng package sa kanya. Thank you.
Okay.
See you tomorrow again.
See you then.
So, thank you. Sa back door ulit tayo kasi sarado na sila, guys. Kanina pa ako nasa bahay, guys. Ayan.
What number?
Nagluluto akong lugaw. Yan yung dinner namin. And Kuya, can't wait to have that. Right now? It's ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it now. Ayan, meron chicken, eggs. Kanina pa ako, guys. Kaso, ayan, sumabak agad ako sa kusina after ko sa post office. And then, after nito, mag-invoicing na naman tayo, guys. And, ayan yung garlic. Nagbuto lang ng garlic. So, itong dinner namin, kahapon, kagabi, ano ba yun? Afritada. Ubusan ako yung yung pampakulay. Ay, meron akong pampakulay. Pero, kunti lang yung nailagay ko. Nagmamadali. Ito ba?
I didn't rip it. The happy nappers went on it.
Why didn't I just have this guy?
Ha?
I'll have this one.
Yeah. Ayan sila. Gutom na sila. What's wrong, Papa?
Up there.
Okay. Hindi siya ang putla niya tingnan dito sa ano, pero hindi siya maputla, guys. Okay na yan. Sarap ang lasa niyan. Hindi na sila makapaghintay. Sobrang init. See, told you.
The kitchen's not that hot.
It's very hot. That's really good now because it's cold outside. Lamig na, guys, sa labas.
Wish I'm eating this outside.
Why? How is it, boys?
Hot. I haven't tried it yet.
Busy siya manood ng news. But,
I just want to have a full bite. I haven't tried it yet. Mine's boiled.
how is it, Han? Uy, you're ignoring me. Kasi, good. Thank you, sir. Nanonood kasi siya ng news. What's going on? Oh my gosh.
Mommy, is there any chicken in here?
Yeah, there's a lot of chicken. How is it, babe? Huh? Hot. No, open the egg. Cut it,
You're
Kuya.
having my
Yolk,
yolk?
yeah. Oh, yeah, Kuya can have it. Kasi ayaw niya ng
I
itlog na.
love it more than him. I've had it more than them. He used to, yeah, you used to never like this.
Bakit kinakam? Why are you?
I always love this.
Kuya loves that sack. He always loved that one. Gustong-gusto nila ang lugaw, as in.
Yummy, yo.
Pag winter, lagi ko yan ginagawa eh. Ngayon malamig, kaya nagluto tayo. Okay. So ako, punta na ako doon, guys, sa aking work. Ayan po, guys, ang i-invoice ko. Kita nyo naman, di ba? Ang dami ko nang na-ship. And eto, mga na-invoice to na hindi pa nagbayad. Eto, hindi pa talaga sila nasenda ng invoice. So, hopefully, matapos ko to tonight. Tonight or madaling araw. Madaling araw, hindi naman siguro. Basta matapos ko to. Dapat matapos ko sila. Kasi bukas, guys, mag-grocery kami. Kaming buong family. And yung mga bata pala, hindi na namin pinapasok sa school kasi wala naman daw silang ginagawa na. Kasi school holiday na, guys. So, bukas, the whole family mag-grocery, guys. Para sa aming caravan getaway. Kasi sa Friday, Saturday, then Sunday, balik kami dito sa bahay. So, Friday, Saturday, doon kami sa ni Dad. Sa lot ni Dad. Sa my beach. Kasi si Talana, Mel, doon kami mag-Easter, guys. So, camping and caravan kami Friday. So, marami nagtatanong kung kailan ko mag-live. Parang hindi ko alam kung makakapag-live pa ako sa dami kong gagawin, guys. Si Jan, sinasabihan niya na ako na mag-make time ako kasi kailangan ko na ma-organize yung caravan namin. Kasi alis kaming Monday din, papuntang Victor Harbor. Surprise siya ni Jan, pero hindi na nga surprise kasi sinabi niya na sa akin kasi at tawag noon, nakikita niya parang sobrang busy ko. Hindi niya alam na, sinabi ko sa kanya, bakit di mo sinabi sa akin na aalis tayo? Kasi sabi niya, it's a surprise, pero sabi niya, hindi na surprise kasi sinabi niya na sa akin kasi nga, parang hindi na ako mag-live. So, ito, tinatapos ko na lang talaga silang ma-invoice. Hindi ko alam kung makapag-live pa tayo. Siguro pagbalik na lang namin. We'll see, guys. Marami nagtatanong kasi ang dami ko na naman boxes na dumating and postpone. Hindi postpone. Sabi ni Jan, doon kasi may dumating na package. Sabi niya doon sa nagdi-deliver, next week wala kami dito kasi may mga darating na mga boxes. Ang dami sigurong boxes ang darating kasi ang daming orders. So, sabi nung lalaki, sige, hold down muna nila. Kasi wala. Balik namin next, Saturday ata kami balik dito or Sunday or Friday. Basta, 5 days kami sa Victor Harbor and syempre magpapahinga. So, yun guys. So, we'll see kung kailan ulit ako makapag-live. So, yun na. I-end ko na yung vlog guys. Kasi bukas marami tayong gagawin. Okay? Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet seen my next vlog. Pasensya kung wala masyadong nakikita sa vlog kasi sobrang busy talaga ako. And si Jan guys, hindi natin na vlog. Nag-map siya sa caravan. Nilinis niya na yung caravan. Winipe niya naman yung caravan yung labas. And sabi niya nga, tingnan mo naman yung caravan. Hindi ko pa natingnan guys. Tapos na siya mag-map. So, hindi na pwede yung tsinela sa loob ng caravan kasi minap niya na daw. Sabi niya, dapat nakita mo kung gaano kadumi yung tubig nung binuhos ko, sabi niya. Sabi ko, sorry han. Kasi dito lang talaga ako guys. Sobrang busy. So, yeah. Yun na. End na yung vlog guys. So, wala masyadong nakita dito. But, yeah. That's it guys. Thank you. Bye. Good night. Guys, good night na ako sa inyo. Pero itong vlog na to bukas na lang. Kasi tinitext ako ni Jan. Hindi niya ako tinitiglan. Punta raw ako dito sa caravan. May pa-music siya. Wow!
Shut the door. Just grab it. Don't turn the handle. Just
Natatakot kasi ako.
pull it shut. Don't turn the handle. Pull it shut. Harder. No.
Ayoko kasing gano'n kasi feeling ko masisira ko
Get
siya.
back to your-
No, I'm vlogging.
I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hands slipping down. I got the face falling back at you.
Mag-copyright
Is
ako
why you
sa
always wanna.
Dito na siya. Busy na siya, oh. Oh my God.
So that fits in there.
In-unbox niya na, guys, yung ating Kasi kailangan na. Wala akong time talaga.
This that's going to be for like this sort of stuff. All the
Remote,
cords.
okay.
So we know where.
Siya talaga nag-organize ngayon dito. It's freezing. Can you turn on the heater here? No?
Oh.
It's so cold. May pa-heater kasi dito din. Ipakita ko na lang to sa inyo. So, nandun yung mga remotes, cords. Siya rin na naglagay ng mga yan. Yung nabili ko yan sa IKEA. What's that key for?
That's what I'm going to put on tonight.
Where?
That's for the gas bottles and fuel.
Oh, you have to put some tag.
That's nothing. Alright, so we're going to move on to this now.
Ayan yung paglalagyan ng mga kutsara. Hate niya talaga yung nabili ko sa IKEA. Hindi siya maganda, guys. Are we gonna change that one, right? Nag-order na siya. Yung rubber na.
Change what?
That one.
I had a look today. There's big rolls.
Yeah.
Black.
I don't
but
like long.
Not
White? No. No. Just stick for this one for now. I have to wash that hand.
Do it when you can.
Doon ko na lang daw hugasan. Wala talagang time, guys. So, nandun yung mga remotes, cords. Siya rin na naglagay ng mga yan. Yung nabili ko yan sa IKEA. What's that key for?
That's what I'm going to put on tonight.
Where?
That's for the gas bottles and fuel.
Oh, you have to put some tag.
That's nothing. Alright, so we're going to move on to this now.
Ayan yung paglalagyan ng mga kutsara. Hate niya talaga yung nabili ko sa IKEA. Hindi siya maganda, guys. Are we gonna change that one, right? Nag-order na siya. Yung rubber na.
Change what?
That one.
I had a look today. There's big rolls.
Yeah.
Black.
I don't like
But
long.
Not
White? No. No. Just stick for this one for now. I have to wash that hand.
Do it when you can.
Doon ko na lang daw hugasan. Wala talagang time, guys. Oh. So, hugasan ko na lang daw yan sa camping, guys. Wala talaga akong time. And we have another box. Siya na yung nag-unbox. Hugasan na lang daw ko. Spoon rest? Yeah. Silicone siya, guys. Anong tawag nga dyan? Yung basta pinaparas mo dyan yung spoon. Pag nagluluto. Silicone siya. Oh, that's for my baking here. Meron din ako for baking. That's for my cooking. Oh, we have to get one tomorrow. Wala talaga akong time maghugas ng mga yan. Pag ginamit na lang at saka pag hugasan ko pa rin yun. Pag nagka-time na tayo. Pero pag syempre, pag ginamit ko, hugasan ko yan, guys. Is it silicone? Oh, when we park in a caravan, I'm gonna put it there.
Yeah, there's only two left. I'll just use it.
What you hiding from me? What you holding back? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you. Here's why you always wanna flowers start to bloom, just like me and you. And I feel a change. Letting the light shine in, my patience wearing thin, and it's all so brand new. And I can't find the words to say just how you take my breath away, babe. Can you feel my heartbeat loud? And it's something different, don't know what to call it. It's something different, and I think I'm falling, and I can't find words to describe it. Boy, you got me hypnotized, it's taking over me like a brand new melody. The voice is like a song I've never heard, and I know your actions speak louder than words. But I'm a little shy, and I'm asking myself why I'm so scared. And I can't find the words to say just how you take my breath away. Can you feel my heartbeat loud? And it's something different, don't know what to call it. It's something different, and I think I'm falling, and I can't find words to describe it. Boy, you got me hypnotized, it's taking over me like a brand new melody. Oh, like a brand new melody. And it's something different, don't know what to call it. It's something different, and I think I'm falling, and I can't find words to describe it. Boy, you got me hypnotized, it's something new to me, like a brand new melody. Oh, babe.
Hi, I just wanted to say good morning, and I wanted to call you before you had to go to work, but I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
First time I met you, didn't have a clue what you mean to me. Best friend from the start, always had my heart, but now it loves you differently. You came in at the right time, baby, you have changed my life. Everything I do, I want you. to get ahead, but you know how I get. Still, I'll wait patiently. I just see you forever in my life, and I see myself wearing white. Baby, don't you think that sounds nice? And I still just don't understand that night when you took my hand. I never fell in love so fast. And what I thought I never could deserve, you gave me 'cause you knew my worth. And I can't thank you enough for that. Used to look at the stars and wish for someone like you. Now, baby, we've come so far and never had love so true.
Hey baby, I just wanted to let you know that I didn't see your text, and I love you. Good night. I love you so much, and I'll see you I'll see you tomorrow, and I'll talk to you in the morning, baby. I love you. Love you. Good night.
Used to look at the stars and wish for someone like you. Now, baby, we've come so far and never had love so true. I've never been into material things. I'm the type that usually connects to someone's energy, but you're acting used to me. Don't act like you used to around me. Are you getting tired of all my love? I need to know, 'cause baby, when push comes to shove, I need someone around, someone to hold me down. And I wonder how you think of me, detailed and intricately. Do you see me in everything? 'Cause I wanna know that you'll be here, won't just go ahead and disappear. So can you do just one thing? Bring me flowers so I know that you still care. Bring me flowers so I know that you're still there. But bring me flowers, won't you bring me flowers? Bring me flowers that you think look like me. Bring me flowers with my energy. But bring me flowers, flowers, flowers. Baby, I'm here and ready to commit, but your lack of dedication, I'm tired of it. So let me know